Hello viewers, welcome to NodeJS tutorial for beginner. Today I will show the how to install NodeJS on macOS. So at first we need to go nodejs.org website to download the Node.js. So here is the nodejs.org website, and then you download the Node.js for Mac OS. So then click here the current version of Node.js 8.11.3. So click here for download the Node.js. So I have already download. Then this node.b8 11.3 package is already downloaded. Click here, and then here is the Node.js installation option, and click the continue, and then click the continue button, and here is the license agreement option. Click the agreement button, and finally install the Node.js. It take few seconds to install. So Node.js install is successfully done. The installation was complete successfully. Then click the close button, and then now we will go to the terminal for check the Node.js version. How we can check the Node.js version on terminal? Node dash B. So here is the showing the Node.js version b8.11.3. So now we will write the hello world in Node.js. So at first we need the editor for write the Node.js code. So we will write code in Sublime. Click the Sublime editor, create the Node.js folder, and then click the Node.js file name app.js file. So now we will write the Node.js console.log here hello world, write hello world in Node.js project. No, so now how we can run Node.js project? Go to the console Here is the Node.js project folder. Write the node dot Node.js file name app.js app.js. So here is the showing the hello world in Node.js, showing the hello world in Node.js. So Node.js run in console. So in this tutorial we have learned how to install Node.js and how to run hello world in Node.js. Thank you so much.